When placing your online order, you'll be able to add advanced options if you wish. Here you can add mixed base identification, quality clipping, or you can change the quality value limit to 10, 20 or 30. The quality value limit is the threshold setting to which bases will be scored accurately. If a QV setting of 10 is selected, the base caller will assign a base call to each peak it recognises and gives a confidence score with each base, blue being very confident, yellow is relatively confident, and red is less confident. If the base caller cannot identify a valid base, an N will be assigned. If a QV setting of 20 or 30 is selected, the base calling becomes more stringent, removing the yellow and red confidence bars and only offering blue confident base calls or N base calls. If you wish to have quality clipping added, please select this box here. This will remove the start and end base calls until fewer than a set number of bases have a QV setting of less than the default. This is because the start and end of a sequence read can be difficult for the base caller to accurately assign bases to the peaks. Finally, if you wish to have mixed base identification added, please select this box. If this is selected, the base caller assigns an IUB code to every base that contains a second peak at the same position, which is over 25% of the largest peak. If the mixed base identification is not selected, the base caller assigns an A, C, G or T to every peak. Bases that have a quality value less than the QV setting selected, 10, 20 or 30, will be assigned an N.